Hello, in this part we look at creating tables. Before we continue, if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. As noted here, we have defined two tables, of which one is dense. The other is also showing the select to enable multiple row selection. To be able to create these tables, we defined a custom element and then beefed it up with some methods. From the abstract designer, we are able to set up some of the properties for the vData table. As this is a beginning, not all of the properties for the table have been added. However, one can use the attributes item to specify more. On our router page, we loaded the parent B container. This has a grid defined in it of 10 rows. We then loaded each of the table layouts we created. In each of the tables, we added columns and then added rows of the tables. We later called a binding so that the component is bound to the child elements. Now, when we run the application, we are able to view the table and its data and manipulate it. In the next versions we will look at adding more functionality to the table. This will include action buttons, images, etc. That covers part 17. Enjoy!